So hello and welcome to the Belmont estate, which is in Kent near Faversham, and we're just going to show you what we think is the best tea room we've ever seen. So join me as we go inside to the old stables. Oh good, it's open. So you can see all the old areas. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm guessing that's where the hay used to go when the animals were in here. So this cafe is self-service. Tickets are £7 each if you want to come and see the house and the gardens, and again there's just an honesty box for that. But a self-service cafe, I've never seen that before. There we go, the tart. Kids stuff, price list, another honesty box. Local drinks there from a local farm. So you've got your kettle and bottled water, your cups, coffees, crisps, cookies, in fact giant cookies. Is this not the most amazing place to come and visit? Car parking's free. You see some of the most amazing Kent countryside when you go on the journey here. If you're looking on a map, then it's about 25 minutes from Maidstone, the county town of Kent. I'll just spin round once more. Remember, keep calm, eat cake. We're also having a teddy bear's picnic here later in the month. That's got to be done, hasn't it?